Good morning, everybody. Matt Johnston here, Matt the Lawyer. Today we're talking about payroll taxes, or this video I'm going to talk about payroll taxes. And I give you this message courtesy of my accountants at BMC Accounting. They're fantastic people, and they've always sort of kept me on the straight and narrow. But recently, and there was a big sort of policy discussion about whether or not the president can do this. We're not going to talk about that. But the IRS has issued rules about the deferment of payroll taxes for late 2020. So payroll taxes, the deferral program allows employers to withhold and not pay the employee side of Social Security taxes. So essentially, it puts money into the pockets of the employee because they don't have payroll taxes being taken out of their paycheck. It sounds like a really good program, but as the brains over at BMC are suggesting, it's not really a good idea. Largely because the payroll taxes are deferred, but not forgiven. So just because you're not paying them now doesn't mean they're not going to be due later, and it's not the employer who is going to be responsible for paying that, it's the employee. So essentially you are adding to your employee's tax burden for next calendar year. And the deferred payroll taxes would have to be paid sometime between June and April, or January and April of next year. Not exactly a huge bonus. So like I said, the brains at BMC are recommending that you not engage in this program. The other caveat is if the employee does not pay those deferred payroll taxes, the employer will have to pay them in about 6 months. So in addition to running the risk of not helping your employee and adding to their tax burden, you could end up with the penalty provision. So not exactly a great place to be. So if you are considering deferring your payroll taxes for your employees during the latter part of this year, BMC and myself, I'm strongly recommending that you do not engage in that. The employer has the entire election here. Even if the employee asks to defer payroll taxes, the employer can choose not to do it. So it's the employer's choice only, no matter what the employee may request. If you want more information about that, the Internal Revenue Service does have their guidance documents up and available, and you can take a look at that. I'll put the link down below in the notes. And if you need good accounting, I swear by the folks over at BMC Accounting. They've done a great job with my personal and business taxes. In the meantime, stay safe out there. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.